Beginning with Saushtvam, both your hands with your thumb out, the Ardhachandra Hasta placed behind your waist, upper portion of your body slightly in the front, your feet is perfectly placed together without any gaps between them, the torso slightly in the front, chin an inch down, eyes facing the line of sight with a mild and placid smile. The fundamental position begins with the Samapadam and then to the Parshvapadam where the toes are facing towards the side. The gap between the heels has to be maintained a minimum of 3 fingers and ensuring up to 4 fingers to the equal distribution of weight. The upper portion of your body is erect, no hunching forward. Maintaining the balance in this position with your knees sideways, your knees and toes are aligned. Samapadam to Aramandi and then to the Muzhumandi, the full sit position. The knees should not be facing in the front. It should be facing towards the sides, both symmetrical in alignment. The heels are lifted up. Technically, you are not sitting on your heels but balancing in the position. No squatting to go back to the original position. Beginning with the Katakamukha Hasta, most beginners tend to not maintain correct alignment of their elbows. The Hasta should never face down, elbow should be in an appropriate position. The Hasta should not be bent. Especially in a Katakamukha Hasta, a V-shaped arrangement should be followed. Not very close to your body, not very far, at an ideal symmetry and alignment. Beginning with the Suchi Hasta, the index finger of the right hand holding with the left hand. Do not raise it too high above the head. Rather not place it directly on the head. Maintain a diamond-like arrangement with your hands. This ideally improves the aesthetics of the hand position. Beginning with the Aramandi and extending for the Anchita or Naatu position. The angle that the feet makes with the floor has to be about 45 degrees to maintain a beautiful aesthetic of this feet position. The knee should not be extended outside. Maintaining the correct alignment in this position is essential.